Okay, last two questions, and this video will help you answer both of those questions. First part of the question is asking you to use zero product property to find when this object is on the ground. So zero product property means we need to take the product these two factors create, and zero, we want to set it equal to zero. So we are going to do 49 plus 4.9t equals 0. And then for this other factor, we're going to have 10 minus t is equal to 0. Solving these two equations will tell you at what time the object hit the ground. Now remember, we're talking about time, and so we don't want to know negative time, right? We don't want to know before it was tossed out of the helicopter. We want to know at what time was the object on the ground after being thrown out of the helicopter. All right, so that's the first part of the question. You need to go ahead and solve these two equations to find the t value. When did it hit the ground? And then the other question is, what was the initial height of the object when it was thrown out of the helicopter? So same equation. And we know that initial height is the same as the y-intercept, and we know that that y-intercept comes from the c value in standard form. So you have two options here. You can do the distributive property, which is going to require you to multiply everything in this first parenthesis by everything in the second parenthesis. So we have 4 multiplications that we have to do. So you are welcome to do that multiplication out and see what the c value is at the end of your equation, or you might remember the shortcut and know which of the multiplications you need to do in order to get that constant, right? You need a number with no variable. So which of these 4 multiplications is going to give you a number with no variable? Which one is going to give you the constant? And that is going to help you answer the last question.